If you want to scan QR codes on POCO X7 Pro, you have two main ways to do so. The first one is by opening the camera, and then in the photo mode you can simply aim at the QR code. And then we should be able to see this icon here on the right side with the QR code. You can tap on it. In order to see the result, you will see the address, and then you can open it in browser or just simply copy the link. In addition to that, if this doesn't work for you, if you cannot scan the QR code, then what you can do is open the camera settings. So over here you can tap on this arrow. For some reason, oh, there we go. Oh, everything was upside down. And then tap on this icon in order to go to camera settings, then go to smart suggestions and make sure that scan QR codes option is actually enabled. Another way to scan QR codes is by using a button in the control center. So you want to swipe from the top towards the middle on the right side of your screen, and then you should be able to find this icon over here. You can also press edit, so scroll all the way down and then you will find edit button, and then here you should be able to find system toggles, and somewhere over here you should be able to find this button as well, the scanner, and then you should be able to press it in order to add it to the control center. Once you open the app, then as you can see you open the rear camera, and once again you need to simply aim at the QR code. Let's see if this works. For some reason it doesn't work for me, but most of the time it should work, and then it should pretty much get the same results as with the camera. So if the scanner from the control center doesn't work, try the scanner in the camera. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.